Hello friends, the Stone Cottage tutorial guides you through the whole process of creating a game asset for Blender, the Stone Cottage. It takes you through the process of polygonal modeling and then texturing the whole cottage and finally rendering it within Blender. Hello friends, let's continue to model our cottage. First of all, let us see if the boundaries are fine or seems to be okay. Now let us do one thing. Let us create some of these pillars at the boundary edges, the boundary corners, and 2, 3 in the middle. Okay, so something like this one, the tower, similar to the shape of the tower. So what we do is we create Shift A, create mesh cube, and G, Y, move it out, then scale it down. Okay, G, Z, sorry, not G, S, Z, scale and Z. Let us take it close and see. G, Y, G, Z. I think even this is too big, I think. Scale it down further. Okay. The main pillars of the boundary. Okay. G, X. G, Y. G, Y. Do one thing. We extrude G, Z. Extrude, then scale. Okay. Then we select these faces. We select these faces and we do extrude region. Okay. We extrude the region. Now I extrude the region. Scale it. GC. Little bit. I think it's all right. SZ. Okay, that's fine. Now we can duplicate the same thing. Shift D, G, X. Shift D, G, X. G, Y. here. Okay. Shift D, GY, GY, no. Shift D, GY. One over here. Shift D, GY. One over here. Okay. Shift D, GY. One over here. Shift D, GX. One over here. Shift D, GX. One over here. Shift D, GX. One over here. GX. One over here. Shift D, GY. One over here. Shift D, GY. One over here. Shift D, GX. One over here. GX. Move it over here. In the center. Okay. There's only one entrance to it. Control S, keep saving. Okay. So the cottage is done, and the modeling is done, and we are going to texture the cottage using the PBR textures, PBR add-on, extreme PBR add-on. So what we are going to do is, firstly we are going to hide. See, the cottage is not going to be so detailed because it will be for it will be one of the things in a scene in a game or movie, right? So we are going to hide this, even hide all these, hide, hide. Okay. Now basically seeing this picture, we are going to set up the textures. Okay. Top one is a tile texture. Even before that, we need to bevel this area and create these lines. Press 2 and select all of these. Let us try to bevel them together. Edge bevel. Bevel edges. Seems to be okay. So that's okay. Now we select 3, select the faces. And go into UV editing. We'll say Smart UV project. Okay. And now let us see. Let us select uh, textures from this extreme PBR version 2 tile texture. Okay, tiles. No, or roof. What is called roof? Or roofing tiles. Yes, it's called roofing tiles. What other tiles do we have? Roofing, thatch, roofing, thatch, roofing tiles, roofing tiles is good, I feel. Roofing tiles seems to be a good option. And add new, choose maps, normal, roughness. Okay. Remove this material. Remove this material. Remove this one. Roofing tiles, and you actually object mode. You say assign. Okay. Assigned it. We don't want it this way. So we select this, reorient it this way. Okay. This one also, select it, rotate it, grab it, scale it, scale it this way. Okay. And similarly here, select or rotate and scale it, grab it and keep it here. Control F, keep saving. And now for this, not able to see the picture. Where is the picture? Layout. Okay. Now if you see, for one more left. Okay. I forgot this one. I forgot this one. Okay. So for that, do one thing. Yeah. Okay, select R, rotate, S, scale, VDR and keep it here. Okay, this one is done. And now we need to take these.
These are white in color. These are white in color. You give these a different material. Okay. Maybe with controller keep saving. Keep saving. Now we got to okay. Do one thing. We got it. Okay. Okay. We do one thing. We deselect this and we select these bits. Okay. Red kind of bit. So here we go to extreme PVR. Extreme PVR and width. Suppose we select a light color, right? Something like this or like this. Something like this will be good. So add name and assign. Okay. Now here in UV editing, we need to do Smart UV project. Select all these UVs, rotate them. Rotate the UVs. Okay. And scale them. Scale the UVs. Okay. We should select them. Uh, select, scale them further. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Even further to the scale. That looks quite good. Okay. And here, modify plan. Okay, so here we need to give different material over here. Then we need to provide different material over here. Okay, here we need to provide a different material. Here we need to provide a different material. We say we added material. Yeah, give a dark greenish kind of color. And say assign. Okay. So let's keep saving. And the next thing we're going to do is we have to uh, sort of give this bump. Okay. It doesn't have bump assigned to it. Yeah. Full shading. Supposed to be bricks. So we could assign a bump map here. And from normal, we could make a bump map over here. Okay. Color to height, normal to normal. And strength. Okay, strength. Okay. You can see the impact of the bump, right? The distance equal to, yeah, bump distance. Good. It's like real bricks now. Okay. And here we need to maybe do some kind of a color correction. Make it more yellowish in the shading. color, let us say different this color. Okay. We could do that. So now we'll leave it and leave it as it is. And let us see how the rest of the thing can be textured. Okay. Now once we made the window and the best way to make the windows is go to the edges, select the edges, select all the edges, duplicate them, grab them, and go to the edit mode to scale. Okay, and G the avatar, layer it down, grab it down, okay, and now select the faces and extrude window frame. Okay, now what we can do, we can cut some loops, two loops over here, two loops over here, one loop over here, one loop over here, and a loop here. Okay, loop here, and press 3, select this, and say bridge loops, bridge faces. Okay, bridge these faces. We can do one thing. Have two loops here. Another two loops here. Loops here. Another two loops here. 3, select this. Select the top one. Say bridge faces. Simple windows. Two loops, two loops, Now one loop, another one loop, just three, like this, and say bridge faces. Okay. Do one thing. You may move them down if you want. G, C, and now say bridge faces. Okay, thank you. Fine. Control S. Similarly here. Loops here. Another loop here. Three, bridge faces. Okay. So another two loops here. Another two loops here. Three. G, C, bring it down. Bridge faces. Control X. Okay. So we select the transparent mode, all of these, and say P. By selection. Okay. My selection is separate. G, Y, G, X. Yeah, the window is ready. I think the other window is also same size. Shift D, G, Y, R, Z, R, Z, G, X, G, Y. Okay, control S. Control D, G, C, G, C. G, Y. Suppose we have sunlight over here, it can be bright and it can see 8, 28, looks nice. Okay. Can do a similar thing. Okay. Shift D, duplicate S, Z, S, X. No, S, Y, S, Z, S, X. GX, GY, GX, GZ, duplicate, GY, GY. Okay. Control B. R, Z, G, X, G, Y, G, Z. Control F. So something we are able to texture, okay, not a done. Here you see some kind of fusion in there. Here if you could do something like that. Three, these things we could extrude to the region to get a proper impact. E student scale. Okay, then now let's do E extrude as scale. Okay, control S, keep saving. Control S, keep saving. Okay, these window frames, we can give them good texture. We should have given it earlier. Good, very good. Good texture we could have gained. Very good. Floor. What is here? Smart city project. Okay, we could assign this add new and wood assign. So we assign the wood material. Wood assign. Similarly here, wood assign. Okay. Yeah. Control S. Looks quite good. Oh, now for unhiding everything else. Alt plus H unhide. Control S. Okay. So friends, we have just tried to create a simple texture for the for the what's it called, the tower, and we'll continue with our texturing, the simple texturing of the cottage with these extreme PBI materials. Bye for now. See you in the next part of texturing.